Hello guys, I went to this famous night market in Ipoh town area to do some night street photography review of a prime lens, and I will give you my honest impressions of the lens. This is the Canon EF-M22mm f2 prime lens. If you are contemplating in buying this lens, please stick around because I will give you my top reasons if this lens is a go or a no-go. But please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel, and let's start the shoot. Okay, for this shoot, these are my settings I used. I normally shoot in manual mode, and I enable the touch shutter function that I was interested in how this option performs. And right off the bat, this lens with the Canon M50 combo is very light. Probably the lightest lens I've ever had, but still the build quality is okay. I have the grip extension in my camera, so it's quite comfortable while shooting. Another good of this camera that I realized is the touch shutter. Composing your shot is a breeze and is pretty accurate. Not perfect, but I would say it's nailed the focus 90% of the time. Third is the lens focusing is accurate. Not the fastest, but good enough. And it's adequately sharp, even wide open at f2. And last but not the least, this lens is quite cheap. I got mine from a new kit for about 160 USD. This could be the best budget 35mm equivalent camera lens combo with less compromises. Taking photos is a joy to use. It's light, accurate, and sharp. Overall, I enjoyed the photo shoot and I love this lens. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and I have another EF-M lens real world use review coming up, so please subscribe to support my channel.